Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here, co-founder of MDC Trading Academy, your favorite trading company. As we wrap up this week here on Friday, January the 24th, let's look at our news items for the day. So we can see it's Friday, day 4 of the WEF annual meetings. We have at 9:45, right in the middle of our session, the flash manufacturing PMI. Let's keep an eye open for that. And let's jump quickly into our forecast for today. More of the same. Market attempting to reach all-time highs at 3750. Basically, here's a nice range where the market can move within the next several days unless it breaks higher between the 3750, which is our all-time high point, and this swing low here at 3301.25. So we have our swing high at 3750 and our swing low at 3301.25. Somewhere along this area here is where we're going to see a lot of the activity. Now, we may have a bar like this somewhere along the line, but I don't see any type of panic sell-off at this point in the market to try to recover, or vice versa. This kind of shooting star bars, huge bars, parabolic bars to the upside, where we eventually end up with a lot of a nice long and far apart swing highs and lows, and then some recovery. I'm not anticipating any of that. There really isn't anything unless something shakes out of this impeachment, which so far seems to be a dud. So this is what we're looking at on a long-term basis, mid to long-term basis. Now, what does it look like short-term? Short-term is just continual movement up. We have short-term targets. We have short-term support targets. We have longer-term support targets. And the market right now has a wedge up into the all-time high. I think we're at 33.50 at this point, or I think we actually hit 33.37 even, and market bounced off there. This is going to make an attempt to run to that upside again. We're going to see what kind of reaction we have there. Remember the reaction that we had the last time. Once we establish the all-time high, let's see if this all-time high swing, that swing high, will cause a significant retrace potentially to this area here. And of course, we can move higher, we can move lower. Now, let's just give this market some perspective. So from our last significant run to where we're up to the all-time high, look at where we are right now. I mean, anywhere here, anywhere within this area here, this retracement here, we're still expecting continuation to the upside. So the market can retrace way down there and still continue to the upside. But on a short-term basis, we're looking at these are our targets here, our potential targets. If it comes off, our original targets coming off here, but more importantly, our trade chart. Our trade chart, and actually I have another chart for you that I can show you. Let me get that chart for you. This is this chart right here. And there is this trend line that I drew before. This is our immediate support level coming off the all-time high swing. So we'll see how the market reacts there. Let's go to our trade chart here, and that's the plan. I'm planning. So far, just thinking long. As long as we remain above this line here, I'm expecting to continue to go long, potentially retest the all-time high, break through here. Depending on when it happens, it could be a potential run till retest the intraday high. And if we move lower than that, then we have obviously this trend line here and its swing lows to use as potential support areas. Just keep your eye open for the initial move in the market. Remember, make sure that you place your entries in a good area, good enough to hide and protect your stocks. You find good support areas. Take care and have a great trading session and a great weekend. Ciao.